In this video, I'm going to show you that how can we actually change the orientation of a document in Microsoft Word. So this is a document that we have created. Now, by default, all the documents in Microsoft Word have a portrait layout. But if you want a landscape layout, how can you do that? First of all, let's understand that what is a portrait and what is a landscape layout. So this kind of a layout is a portrait layout where the height of the document is actually utilized in writing the lines from up and down, while in the case of a landscape layout, this kind of a setting is reversed in the kind of a width format. So I think let's understand this with the help of an example. So let's see how do we do that. What you need to do is go to this layout tab. From here you can just see this orientation. Right now it is selected as portrait. This is a preview of portrait and this is what we want to change it to, that is a landscape, and this is the preview of a landscape layout. So let's just click on landscape and wait for a few seconds. Then you will see that the layout has changed to landscape mode. Now you can see the width of the page is more than its height in the case of a landscape mode, but in the case of a portrait mode, the height is more than the width. So this is how actually the things work. And this is how we change the layout of a page in Microsoft Word. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.